तेलंगाना और छत्तीसगढ़ की सरहद पर माओ नवाजों और ग्रे हाउंड हमले के दरमियान फायरिंग और जवाबी फायरिंग का तबादला अमल में आया। पीर की सुबह मुलुगु और बीजापुर के जंगलात में पेश आए फायरिंग और जवाबी फायरिंग के वाक़े में 3 माओविस्ट मारे गए हैं। मुकामी वाक़े से पुलिस को 2 AK-47, एक SLR समेत दीगर असला बरामद हुआ है। मुलुगु जिले के SP संग्राम सिंह पाटिल ने इस इनकाउंटर की तस्दीक की है और बताया है कि इन इलाकों में दीगर माओविस्टों की तलाश की जा रही थी। उन्होंने इस इनकाउंटर में हलाक होने वाले अफराद की तफसीलात बताते हुए इस इनकाउंटर से जुड़ी तमाम तर तफसीलात से मीडिया को वाकिफ करवाया है।
Joint combing operation was conducted by Mulgu District Police and Greyhounds of Telangana State and Bijapur District Police of Chhattisgarh in the bordering areas of Telangana and Chhattisgarh this morning. Based on information about movement of Maoist formation in these areas, there was input about Maoist planting landmines and targeting police and CAPF camps in the area, and also plan to assassinate political leaders and destroy government and civil properties. During this combing operation on 21/10/2021, in the early morning hours, there was a volley of fire from the Maoist side which was countered by the state forces. In this exchange of fire, 3 male dead bodies of Naxals with weapons were recovered in the search operation that followed. Also, the following articles were found at the scene, which falls in LMD PS of Chhattisgarh state. The following are the articles which were recovered: one SLR LMG, AK-47 with bayonet, one SLR and one double barrel gun. Also magazines of SLR LMG 3, AK-47 magazines 3 with 28 rounds, SLR 2 magazines with 24 rounds. Also explosive material like Cordex wire, pressure cooker, wire, one hand grenade and knife were recovered. Other articles which were recovered from the scene are 3 flash cameras, 4 solar plates, 1 solar foldable sheet, 12 kit bags and 2 water cans. The police parties are still combing the areas in the bordering areas of Telangana and Chhattisgarh and trying to apprehend the absconding Maoist. In the last 1.5 year, the Maoists have been trying to plant mines and pressure mines in this area of bordering Chhattisgarh and taking advantage of the border. Many of these landmines have been recovered. Also, in some of the incidents, certain civilians and cattle have been injured. In one incident near Muknur Palam, the tribals suffer both financially and as well as psychologically due to the extortion activities by the Maoists. Lot of tribals have migrated from Chhattisgarh to Telangana due to the persecution activities of the Maoists. There is no any ideology behind it, but only extortion happening at gunpoint. Warning is issued to Maoists or any sympathizers supporting them that they shall be strictly dealt with. A sincere appeal is also made for them to give up arms and join the public life. They are the biggest hindrance to development in this area. One of the examples being the shutdown factory, the built factory at Kamalapuram, where hundreds of people have lost their jobs due to their activity. So there is no place for Naxals in Telangana who are a hindrance to the development. A strict warning is issued to them to give up arms, and also to the sympathizers and supporters that they shall be strictly dealt with. Again, a sincere appeal is made to them to surrender, give up arms and join the mainstream. We shall make all efforts for their rehabilitation. Thank you. Jai Hind.